Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop, and today I want to do an unboxing video for this product right here. This is the WAHL Professional Shaver Shaper, okay? And this is the newest member to my barber arsenal, and I want to do a quick unboxing video for you this morning. It's early in the morning, and I just want to show you guys something that you probably can use throughout the day. If you have this product, cool. If you don't, I'm going to tell you everything I know about it, even though I just got it yesterday. So stay tuned, and I'll tell you what you need to know. Okay, we're back. This is the product right here. I want to do a quick unboxing video, like I said in the intro. This just came in Amazon from matter of fact, I bought this off of eBay, not Amazon, but eBay. It was a couple dollars cheaper, and I went ahead and made the purchase. It was quick, fast, and easy to get here. No issues. Okay. So I've never owned a WAHL Shaver Shaper before. I heard that there is a difference between this one and the black one. I think the black one has a lithium-ion battery that is a little bit more powerful. Okay, so this is how it comes in. When I opened it, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the shaver is sitting here in this little compartment right here, and it has this little plastic piece. Just took that off. Okay, so it's fully charged already, and it comes with this little button right here. And if you open this button up, the top comes off, and there we go. We got the little mechanism on the inside. I've done some research on this product before I bought it, so I kind of know what to hit and what to do to get this thing open. Like I said, this is it. It comes with this little booklet right here. I guess this is okay. Tells you how to clean the cutter, bar assembly, and all that stuff. Okay. So it gives you a diagram between a good and a bad cutter. Alright, so this is cool. This is definitely a good product, I guess. This is the charger here. Okay, so I noticed that some of these come with the charging port that you can actually sit this shaver in, a charging port. But this one does not come with that charging port. It comes with the actual plug-in charger that you could just go ahead and plug in. And that's it. That's all that was in the box. I look forward to using this. I would eventually make a video on a review video on it and how I like it and stuff. So y'all stay tuned, and thanks for viewing. If you like this video, go ahead and comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to add me on Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Y'all subscribe to his channel. That is my Illuminati brother. Y'all check him out. Let us know what you think. Peace.